Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word compliment and build useful phrases for work. Let's practice together. Compliment. Give a compliment. I give a compliment. She gives a compliment. He gives a compliment. Give a compliment at work. I give a compliment at work. She gives a compliment at work. He gives a compliment at work. I received a compliment. She received a compliment. He received a compliment. I received a compliment from my boss. She received a compliment from her boss. He received a compliment from his boss. Thank you for the compliment. I appreciate the compliment. She appreciates the compliment. He appreciates the compliment. Compliment your colleague today. I compliment my colleague today. She compliments her colleague today. He compliments his colleague today. Thank you for practicing with me. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you again in tomorrow's video.